Have you ever asked yourself, is my job safe from AI? Because the truth is, by 2026, millions will find out the hard way. Tech jobs are changing fast. Some will disappear completely. Others, they'll evolve into something new. But the real question is, will you be ready? Let's test it. Which job do you think AI will replace first? Software tester? IT support? Data analyst? You might be surprised. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal 5 tech roles that are on the chopping block. And more importantly, what you should do instead. Because this isn't about fear, it's about future-proofing. So if you're a developer, designer, analyst, or engineer, this video could save your career. Let's start strong. Job number 1 is disappearing faster than you think. But before we reveal it, here's a quick trick. Grab a pen, draw a line down the middle of a page. On one side, write what you do every day. On the other, circle anything repetitive or rule-based. That's what AI is coming for. But the parts you didn't circle? That's your new opportunity. Let's begin. Job number 1. Data entry clerks. This one's almost gone already. Forms, spreadsheets, invoices? AI does them in seconds. With tools like OCR, NLP, and robotic process automation, companies are cutting costs and cutting people. So what should you do instead? Learn data validation and quality control. Because AI still needs humans to clean messy data. Tools like Alteryx and OpenRefine can help. Better yet, get into data governance. That's where decisions are made. Job number 2. Manual software testers. Clicking through test cases manually? That's yesterday's job. AI test bots can now run, analyze, and report faster and smarter. Platforms like Testum, Applitools, and Cypress are booming. But there's still hope. Shift to automation QA. Learn Python, JavaScript, and Selenium. The world needs engineers who can test intelligently. Job number 3. Basic front-end developers. Think building simple websites is safe? Think again. AI like Framer and Wix can generate full sites from text prompts. Even layouts, buttons, and colors, done in seconds. So how do you adapt? Get into UX strategy and human-centered design. Because AI can't yet understand emotions or behavior. Job number 4. Tier 1 at support. Turn it off and back on again. AI already knows that. Chatbots, automated troubleshooting, remote diagnostics, they're replacing help desks fast. But IT support doesn't have to die. It can evolve. Learn cloud operations, DevOps, or cybersecurity. Your foundation in tech support gives you an edge. Level up and move forward. Job number 5. Basic data analysts. You used to pull charts. Now, AI does that instantly. Even predictive modeling is being automated. But storytelling with data? Still very human. Focus on business intelligence. Learn Tableau, Power BI, and data visualization best practices. Communicate insights, not just numbers. So, let's recap quickly. AI is coming for the low-skill, repetitive, predictable tasks. But it can't replace human strategy, or empathy, or leadership, or imagination. So what should you do next? Here's a 3-step action plan. Step 1. Identify your risk zone. Map your tasks. Highlight anything AI can already do. Step 2. Choose a smart pivot. Go where AI supports you, not replaces you. Examples: AI engineering, prompt design, ethical AI. Step 3. Build a personal AI project. Whether it's a chatbot, a dashboard, or an automation script, it shows future employers you're already ahead. And remember, employers don't hire resumes. They hire relevance. Stay relevant. Here's a bonus truth. You don't need to be a data scientist or coder. You just need to be AI literate. Understand how it works. Use it to do your job better. Let AI be your assistant, not your competition. Because here's what no one tells you, AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's creating new ones. Jobs like AI ethicist, prompt engineer, machine learning product manager, AI model auditor, and many more. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago, but they pay 6 figures today. So instead of asking, is AI taking my job? Start asking, how can I grow with AI? Because that's the real question. Let's go deeper. The top 3 skills AI can't replace? Critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creative problem solving. Build around those. Because automation is a tool, but strategy is a mindset. Still wondering where to start? Here are 5 future-proof career paths. AI operations and MLOps, cybersecurity strategy, cloud infrastructure engineering, data storytelling and insight translation, human AI collaboration design. Each one blends tech plus human skills. And each one is growing. Let's be real for a moment. Layoffs are happening. Reorgs are coming. And many will be caught off guard. But not you. You're here. You're learning. And you're adapting. That's the secret. Because it's not the strongest who survive. It's the most adaptable. And you? You're already ahead of 95% of people. So take the next step. Pick one skill today. One project. One course. And build momentum. Don't overthink it. Start messy. Learn as you go. Because the AI revolution? It's not a threat. It's a shift. A shift in how we work, how we learn, and how we think. Still here? You're exactly the kind of person this video is made for. Someone who's not waiting to be replaced, but getting ready to replace outdated roles. So here's your challenge. In the comments, write one skill you're going to learn. And tag someone who needs to see this. Because the more we share, the faster we grow. If this helped you, hit that like button. And subscribe for weekly strategies on thriving in an AI-powered world. We break down the trends, so you don't get left behind. And now, a final word of advice. Never build your future on yesterday's tools. Keep evolving. Keep questioning. Keep building. Because one thing's for sure, AI won't take your job. But someone who knows how to use AI, will. Be that someone. Let's future-proof your career. Starting now. Need help picking your next skill? Check the description. We've linked some amazing free resources. From AI 101s to career maps. No excuses. Just action. You've got this. You're not behind. You're just one decision away from a leap. One skill away from your next opportunity. The future? It's not written. It's designed by people like you. Thanks for watching. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to build it. This is just the beginning. We're dropping AI career guides every week. Subscribe now, and never miss a move. Because the next job revolution won't be televised. It'll be personalized. You in? Let's do this. Stay curious. Stay skilled. Stay human. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep upgrading your mind. Because AI is fast, but you can be faster. Just start. Even if it's small. Even if it's uncomfortable. Start now. I doesn't wait. Why should you? Your future is waiting. Don't scroll past it. Don't fear the change. Be the change. Take charge. Take action. Take risks. This isn't just about jobs. It's about your identity. Your growth. Your freedom. Let's build a future where tech empowers people. And people lead the change. Sound good? Then you know what to do. Like. Comment. Share. Subscribe. And start building. Because the future belongs to those who prepare for it. Let's build yours today.